Hello, I'm a big fan of the Level1Techs YouTube channel, and this is my project I'm entering into the Devember contest. Well, at least what I have so far. So the name of my project is just the hooks, and the goal of this project is to help people find music quicker and build playlists quicker. So we go to find music. I only have one playlist so far, like I said. I wish I had more time. But if we click on this, it's going to go ahead and play the playlist, but it's going to go ahead and start us off at these predefined hooks. Or just, as I'm using the word hooks, I'm using that very general. I'm using that just describing parts of the song you might find interesting. So you could start off on one hook, go to the next hook, or you could even, click the third hook. If you like the song, you can add it to a playlist. If you want to go to the next song, you just go to the next song. And again, like I said, it brings you to the first hook. You want to go to the last hook. Listen a little bit of the song. If you like the song, you hit add to playlist. I got to kind of keep this moving because I don't want to play too much any one song for YouTube reasons. And like I said, you just click on a hook. If you got a good internet connection, it'll just keep going. And add something to your playlist. Go to something. And once you've got what you want, just click on playlist, and it'll go ahead and output an autonomous, an unlisted list of your songs, and so you can add those to your list on your YouTube playlist. But anyway, like I said, this is pretty early. I got a lot of stuff to do still. I wish I had a lot more time, but hopefully once I get this up and going, it can help someone go through and find some music that they want. You can still scrub through the songs wherever you want to, but hopefully this can help people explore a lot of new songs very quickly and hopefully find something new they enjoy. I hope you liked it, and thank you. Bye.